The plan is to put mums in here and snapdragons in this bed. I'm going to start with putting these in this spot first and then in the other bed. I wanted to show how beautiful this purple one is. They're coming along and I can't wait to see how the growth will go. I put one in here. I do like seeing the pop of yellow. Like the chart already gives some pops of color, but it's just a lot more vivid. I have as well here the snapdragon, so I have 3 in this bed. I was going to show you my beans, how they've come along. I'm waiting for them to come out, but I wanted them to be on the edge, that way easy access to them and they don't grow as tall, but they do grow quick. I just put these in about, I'd say a week and a half at most, a week ago, and it's already so big. And I'm excited to have some more nasturtium on the border here. But this one started flowering yesterday with this gorgeous, almost turmeric colored flower. I love seeing that there's more flowers on the way, which means more pollinators. Super excited for them to show up. So today I need to get to planting my tomatoes and my cucumbers, getting those quickly into the ground now that it's heating up officially and it's springtime here. I also have a new variety of oregano I bought. To get my tomatoes into the garden bed, I need to remove a lot of my brassicas that are bolting and flowering. It's all out. I have removed all the brassicas. Some that are flowering we are keeping here. I did remove one of the cabbages, it was bolting, and I still have one kale here in the back. And I watered in the morning. You can see how sad the leaves are. It gets pretty hot here. I have one Brussels sprout left here. This flowering Romanesco that I would love to save some seeds from. So I did save that. And I have some lovely nasturtium growing here. And I was going to show my basket of goodies, my crazy basket of goodies, but it's in my basket. And I'm gonna enjoy making some food out of it. I haven't shown you yet, but I do have red nasturtium growing, and I noticed in the very back just a whole bunch of them. Last year I grew some Japanese cucumbers in this spot, and I knew I had to do it again. So I have my bag of mulch. I'm gonna add my mulch around my cucumbers. I did 2 here and 1 further back in there. And what I'll be doing is removing some of these top leaves on the kale. That way it gets more light. Gave my holes some tomato and vegetable food. I added them to the holes I have, which I just dug out. You can't see them, but 1 tomato here, 1 tomato here, 1 tomato here, and it goes all the way down like that. Back row is gonna be for more green beans. So for this taller pot, I'm going to do both my peppers, the Serrano and the Jalapeno, in 1 pot like that. I'm gonna try to do 2 this year. Recently, my dad gave me some raspberries from his garden. I've been really wanting some of this variety for a while. I'm going to top it off with some steer manure for the raspberries. This is a yellow raspberry. Sort of a trellis for this and put it against the fence where the rest are growing. So far, that is what we have.